Hey y'all, today we are recreating two of my favorite hot dog recipes. If you've ever had Pink's in Las Vegas or LA, it is so good. So one of them is the Guadalajara dog and the other is a pastrami dog. So we are going to get into it. We're going to scour our hot dogs, and then on medium-high heat, I have some vegetable oil. You can use grilled hot dogs from the grill. You can use a cast iron skillet, doesn't matter. We're going to grill those for a few minutes. I'm going to also chop up some mushrooms and thinly slice some onions. All right, and while I'm slicing my onions, I do have about a tablespoon of vegetable oil heating up in my cast iron. So just gonna let that get good and hot. And these are the dogs. I like mine kind of crispy and burnt, but cook them at your own rate. So yeah, I'm gonna add in my onions just for about a minute or two before I add the mushrooms. And then I'll go in and add the mushrooms and let those saute. This is on a medium high heat. These are going to cook down for about 5 minutes. All right, so next I'm gonna cook my pastrami. This is gonna cook on medium high for about another 3 minutes. All right, hope you guys are doing well. If you are new or returning, hey y'all, I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with friends or anybody who is a foodie like me. It's summertime and it's a perfect time for hot dogs. All right, next up, I am going to slice my tomato. I slice them kind of thin, and then I slice them into halves. On medium heat, I am going to toast my I think it's called a bolio roll. You can use pretzel buns or regular hot dog buns. It's up to you. I got some butter on medium and I'm just going to toast these up. All right, now we are going to assemble our pastrami hot dog. So I got some Swiss cheese. Then I'm going to put the pastrami, mushrooms, and onion. And then I'm going to top it with a little more cheese. I'll then add my hot dog. And I crave sauerkraut. I don't know what it is, but I love me some sauerkraut. So this is kind of like a Reuben, but instead of using corned beef, I'm using the pastrami. So just gonna add that sauerkraut on there, and then I'm going to drizzle or squirt whatever happened over here, some Thousand Island, and then we'll work on the next one. All right, next we'll work on my version of the Pink's hot dog. So it's kind of odd, but it tastes so good, I promise. It's tomato, and then you'll add your hot dog, and then you're gonna add a ton of sweet relish, and then some sour cream. I put a little sour cream in a bottle and just a tiny bit of water just so that it will kind of drizzle onto there. And y'all, this is so good. I know it looks odd, but you gotta try it. If you do, let me know how you like it. I thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.